Wax melts are a fantastic way to make a room smell nice whilst providing some health benefits. To make your very own wax melts, you will need a half a cup of soy wax, a silicone mould, a pouring jug, kitchen scales to measure out the wax, and your preferred essential oil. When it comes to using essential oils, you will need between 20 to 30 drops of essential oil, depending on the type. The first thing you'll want to do is add water to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Once it is boiling, you will want to reduce the heat and add your soy wax to the pouring jug. Place the jug into the saucepan with the boiling water and carefully mix the wax to help it melt. Once melted, add your essential oil to scent the wax, then mix it well. Using an oven glove, carefully pour the melted wax into your silicone mould and repeat this process until all the wax has been poured from the jug. Then you will need to let the wax harden in a silicone mould for about 24 hours. After that, the soy wax melts will be ready to use.